Hello friends, welcome to our Premium Institute channel. Friends, आज इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे इम्पोर्टेंट MCQ related to awards and honors. यह सारे awards and honors 2024 year के हैं. Let's start the video. 1. Who won the 2024 Booker Prize? A. Colleen Hoover. B. Shehan Karunatilka. C. Colson Whitehead. D. Margaret Atwood. Answer B. Shehan Karunatilka. 2. Who was awarded the 2024 Nobel Peace Prize? A. Malala Yousafzai. B. Najiz Mohammadi. C. Greta Thunberg. D. Vladimir Zelensky. Answer B. Najiz Mohammadi. 3. Who won the 2024 Nobel Prize in Literature? A. Annie Knox. B. Peter Handke. C. Haruki Murakami. D. Orhan Pamuk. Answer A. Annie Knox. 4. Who was awarded the 2024 Dada Saheb Phalke Award? A. Rajnikant. B. Dharmendra. C. Amitabh Bachchan. D. Kamal Hassan. Answer A. Rajnikant. 5. Who was awarded the 2024 Padma Vibhushan in Literature? A. Amartya Senior. B. Shashi Tharoor. C. Girish Karnad. D. Adur Gopalakrishnan. Answer D. Adur Gopalakrishnan. 6. Who was awarded the 2024 Sahitya Akademi Award in Hindi? A. Geetanjali Shri. B. Manzoor Ehtesham. C. Krishna Sopti. D. Surendra Verma. Answer B. Manzoor Ehtesham. 7. The 2024 Best Actor Oscar went to which actor? A. Austin Butler. B. Leonardo DiCaprio. C. Brendan Fraser. D. Tom Hanks. Answer C. Brendan Fraser. 8. Who won the 2024 Grammy Award for Best Album? A. Taylor Swift. B. Beyoncé. C. Adele. D. Harry Styles. Answer A. Taylor Swift. 9. Who won the 2024 ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year Award? A. Babar Azam. B. Rohit Sharma. C. Shubman Gill. D. Virat Kohli. Answer D. Virat Kohli. 10. Who won the 2024 Gyanpith Award? A. Amitav Ghosh. B. Damodar Mojo. C. Krishna Sopti. D. Ruskin Bond. Answer B. Damodar Mojo. 11. Who won the 2024 Commonwealth Short Story Prize? A. Sheila Atim. B. Ayanuzan Okoji. C. Jhumpa Lahiri. D. Yasmin Seal. Answer B. Ayanuzan Okoji. 12. Who won Global Pride of Sindhi Award? A. Bhavi Mehta. B. Pawan Sindhi. C. Dr. Soumya Swaminathan. D. Alok Shukla. Answer B. Pawan Sindhi. 13. Who was named the 2024 Time Person of the Year? A. Vladimir Zelensky. B. Xi Jinping. C. Greta Thunberg. D. The K-pop band BTS. Answer A. Vladimir Zelensky. 14. Who won the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry? A. Carolyn Bertozzi. B. Ben Feringa. C. William Kaelin. D. Francis Arnold. Answer A. Carolyn Bertozzi. 15. Who was awarded the 2024 Man Booker Prize for Non-Fiction? A. Michelle Obama. B. Barack Obama. C. David Attenborough. D. Arundhati Roy. Answer A. Michelle Obama. 16. Who won the 2024 Padma Bhushan in Art? A. Lata Mangeshkar. B. Ustad Zakir Hussain. C. A.R. Rahman. D. Pandit Jasraj. Answer. B. Ustad Zakir Hussain. 17. Who won the 2024 Pritzker Architecture Prize? A. Toyo Ito. B. Jean Nouvel. C. David Adjaye. D. Jahan Hadid. Answer. A. C. David Adjaye. 18. Who won the 2024 Academy Award for Best Animated Feature? A. The Sea Beast. B. Turning Red. C. Pinocchio. D. Spider-Man, Across the Spider-Verse. Answer. D. Spider-Man, Across the Spider-Verse. 19. Who was awarded the 2024 Padma Shri in Literature? A. Gurdial Singh. B. Girish Karnad. C. Shashi Tharoor. D. Geetanjali Shri. Answer. C. Shashi Tharoor. 20. Who won the 2024 FIFA Women's Ballon d'Or? A. Martha. B. Sam Kerr. C. Wendy Renard. D. Alex Morgan. Answer. B. Sam Kerr. 21. Who was awarded the 2024 Ramon Magsaysay Award? A. Sonita Alizadeh. B. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. C. Ratan Tata. D. Manish Sisodia. Answer. A. Sonita Alizadeh. 22. Who won the 2024 Best Director Oscar? A. Martin Scorsese. B. Quentin Tarantino. C. Bong Joon-ho. D. Steven Spielberg. Answer. D. Steven Spielberg. 23. Who won the 2024 Booker International Prize? A. David Grossman. B. Olga Tokarczuk. C. Haruki Murakami. D. Georgy Gospodinov. Answer. D. Georgy Gospodinov. 24. Who was awarded the 2024 Golden Globe Award for Best Actor in a Drama Series? A. Bryan Cranston. B. Pedro Pascal. C. Timothy Chalamet. D. Jared Harris. Answer. B. Pedro Pascal. 25. Who received the 2024 Presidential Medal of Freedom? A. Simone Biles. B. Dwayne Johnson. C. LeBron James. D. Kamala Harris. Answer. A. Simone Biles. 26. Who was awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Medicine? A. Drew Weissman. B. Caitlin Carrico. C. William Kaelin. D. Charles M. Rice. Answer. B. Caitlin Carrico. 27. Who won the 2024 Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? A. Bajrang Punia. B. Neeraj Chopra. C. P.V. Sindhu. D. Rani Rampal. Answer. B. Neeraj Chopra. 28. Who won the 2024 Grammy Award for Best New Artist? A. Olivia Rodrigo. B. Billie Eilish. C. Megan Thee Stallion. D. Latto. Answer. C. Megan Thee Stallion. 29. Who won the 2024 National Film Award for Best Actor? A. Ayushmann Khurrana. B. Vicky Kaushal. C. Shahid Kapoor. D. Rajkumar Rao. Answer. B. Vicky Kaushal. 30. Who won the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physics? A. Roger Penrose. B. Elise Ball. C. Pierre Agostini. D. Charles M. Rice. Answer. C. Pierre Agostini. 31. Who was awarded the 2024 Turing Award? A. John McCarthy. B. Donald Knuth. C. David Patterson. D. Jeffrey Ullman. Answer: D. Jeffrey Ullman. 32. Who won the 2024 Filmfare Award for Best Actress? A. Deepika Padukone. B. Alia Bhatt. C. Kriti Sanon. D. Shraddha Kapoor. Answer: B. Alia Bhatt. 33. Who won the 2024 Caldecott Medal for Best Picture Book? A. Ed Young. B. Sophie Johnson. C. Jason Chin. D. Jerry Pinkney. Answer: C. Jason Chin. 34. Who received the 2024 Lifetime Achievement Award at the Grammys? A. Stevie Wonder. B. Tony Bennett. C. Bob Dylan. D. Aretha Franklin. Answer: B. Tony Bennett. 35. Who won the 2024 Asian Film Award for Best Actor? A. Lee Jung-jae. B. Tony Leung. C. Ranbir Kapoor. D. Shah Rukh Khan. Answer: A. Lee Jung-jae. 36. Who won the 2024 Best Picture Oscar? A. The Whale. B. Top Gun: Maverick. C. The Fabelmans. D. Everything Everywhere All at Once. Answer: D. Everything Everywhere All at Once. 37. Who was awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences? A. Abhijit Banerjee. B. Esther Duflo. C. Ben S. Bernanke. D. Robert Shiller. Answer: C. Ben S. Bernanke. 38. Who was awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Literature? A. Annie Knox. B. Elise Walker. C. Orhan Pamuk. D. Georgy Gospodinov. Answer: A. Annie Knox. 39. Who was awarded the 2024 Padma Vibhushan in Arts? A. Raghuram Rajan. B. A.R. Rahman. C. Pandit Jasraj. D. Lata Mangeshkar. Answer: B. A.R. Rahman. 40. Who won the 2024 FIFA Men's Ballon d'Or? A. Cristiano Ronaldo. B. Robert Lewandowski. C. Kylian Mbappé. D. Lionel Messi. Answer: D. Lionel Messi. 41. Who was awarded the 2024 Ramon Magsaysay Award for Government Service? A. Ratan Tata. B. Sonita Alizadeh. C. Manish Sisodia. D. Kamala Harris. Answer: C. Manish Sisodia. 42. Who won the 2024 Best Director Award at the Cannes Film Festival? A. Quentin Tarantino. B. Bong Joon-ho. C. Steven Spielberg. D. Martin Scorsese. Answer: B. Bong Joon-ho. 43. Who won the 2024 Oscar for Best Supporting Actor? A. Brad Pitt. B. Daniel Kaluuya. C. Jared Leto. D. Ke Huy Quan. Answer: D. Ke Huy Quan. 44. Who won the 2024 Nobel Prize for Literature? A. Peter Handke. B. Margaret Atwood. C. Orhan Pamuk. D. Annie Knox. Answer: D. Annie Knox. 45. Who was awarded the 2024 International Booker Prize? A. Olga Tokarczuk. B. Haruki Murakami. C. Georgy Gospodinov. D. David Grossman. Answer: C. Georgy Gospodinov. 46. Who received the 2024 Academy Award for Best Actor in a Leading Role? A. Austin Butler. B. Tom Hanks. C. Leonardo DiCaprio. D. Brendan Fraser. Answer: D. Brendan Fraser. 47. Who won the 2024 Golden Globe Award for Best Television Series, Drama? A. The Crown. B. Breaking Bad. C. Ted Lasso. D. Game of Thrones. Answer. A. The Crown. 48. Who was awarded the 2024 Padma Bhushan in sports? A. P.V. Sindhu. B. Neeraj Chopra. C. Saina Nehwal. D. Mary Kom. Answer. B. Neeraj Chopra. 49. Who was awarded the 2024 International Peace Prize? A. Greta Thunberg. B. Malala Yousafzai. C. UNHCR. D. The Dalai Lama. Answer. C. UNHCR. 50. Who won the 2024 Best Film Award at the Cannes Film Festival? A. Parasite. B. Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. C. All Quiet on the Western Front. D. Anatomy of a Fall. Answer. D. Anatomy of a Fall. Friends, यह important MCQ on awards and honors. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो नॉलेजेबल लगी तो हमारी वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट करो एंड हमारे प्रीमियम इंस्टीट्यूट के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकन फॉर नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ न्यू वीडियोस। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।